KastKing. These are the HyperSeal waterproof tackle boxes. I'm just going to show you. Actually, I have one set up right here. This is my soft plastic, kind of like my wacky rig setup. Look at how there's a seal around the edge. There's a little lift tab right there. I have some pre-rigged with the rings and the different stuff on here. Here's kind of like, this is for the wacky rings, and these are kind of like for the little saddles. It actually holds all of this in there. I have some extra wacky hooks down in there, and then I've just put my soft plastics up in there. Here's one right here that I've not actually set up yet. It's brand new. Seal, I laid this in here. It absorbs moisture so your hooks don't rust. The seal is down inside there nicely. I don't see any issues with that. Very nice, kind of satisfying feeling. You can see the outside. KastKing 3600. Very easy to open up nicely right there. Has a lot of different slots, so you can move these little kind of like dividers around pretty much everywhere. Easy to move around right there. You can see the back of it. Very solid made. I don't see any issues with these things at all. Then you can put like one of these logos on here. So if you want to write what each one, I like to label each one of mine. So I get one of these and just put right there like that. So that side will be labeled. Actually, I'll put one on each side. I haven't labeled this one right here, but I really like these, everybody. I have actually like 6 of these things. I just want to do a quick follow-up video. I got another set. And one of the things is they've got this transparent lid, so you can kind of see through. I can see everything that's down in there. It has a little measuring tape up here that goes from, 0 to 9, so you could easily lay like a little trout out like that, or, double it up if you want to see exactly what it is. And there's nice kind of like solid seal on these things where there's no air. These things are airtight. They do float, so you can drop in the water, it'll float around, it doesn't sink to the bottom, which is, if you got a lot of tackle, that could definitely be a costly thing right there. So yeah, there it is. That's all I got on the HyperSeal tackle boxes. See y'all in the next video.